Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to create manicure using Reason Legacy. So this is their newest collection and it is called Let's Get Cozy collection, something like that. But here are the colors and I am really in love with this. I love pinks, I love these shades of colors, and you'll be getting more of like shimmers, glitters, and shards. So these colors are so perfect together, and I actually did 2 manicures using this collection. What I love about this is that you'll be getting variety of colors. So there are shimmers, so that is shimmers, and the one in the middle is actually like chromed looking color. So I'll be showing you the first mani that I did. So this is the first mani that I did couple days ago, and I actually just filmed the finished look, but I didn't film the whole process. But I use the colors snuggled in satin. So this one is more of a shards of glitters, but they are so gorgeous. And the one that I'm talking about, the one that is like chromed looking powder, is the Hugs and Kisses, and the shimmer one is Cuddled in Cashmere. So here are the 3 colors that I use in my first mani. So now I am going to use 2 colors for this mani, and I'll be trying the trendy peekaboo manicure. So I'll be using these 2 colors and see to it if I can achieve that peekaboo nails. But my nails are now prepped. I already applied my peel base. So now I am going to start with Campfire Kisses. And for the liquids, I'll be using Reason Legacy liquids. So this is their new bottle. So the one that I'm using previously was their clear bottle. So they repackaged their liquids and they turned it into a hot pink color, which is really very nice. So now I am applying deep base on that area only, near the cuticle area. So that is where I am going to put the chunky glitter. So I am just going to do 1 layer of the chunky glitter, and make sure that you press those glitters really well. So you really want it to be nice and flat. So I am going to repeat the same process that I did on my thumb to the rest of my nails. Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Alright, so after applying the chunky glitters, I am now going to apply the other color, which is Hugs and Kisses. So I'll be applying this color to the rest of my nails, or to where I don't have those chunky glitters. So I'm going to apply it first and then apply another layer. So this is after I applied the color, and I am going to add one more layer, but this time I am going to try to overlap it with the chunky glitter, but not too much. Make sure that you just cover like a partial part of it. So here it is. I am done applying the two colors. So now I am going to clear encapsulate them with clear powder, and I'll be using this pure diamond from Reason Legacy. So this is actually my favorite clear powder. It is really super clear. It doesn't fog your glitters or your manicure, so I highly recommend this one. And I'm not sure if you're going to see it, but I am almost out of it. And yeah, if you're in a hunt for a nice clear, I highly recommend this. So after applying the clear, I am now going to activate, and I'll be using the Reason Legacy Activator. So I am going to do all my filing and shaping off cam, let this first dry, and this is after I did that. So I really love it with matte look, but I think the shimmer of the other color won't really show if I do matte, so I just decided to make it shiny. So I'll be applying the Mani Boss 2-in-1 gel base and top coat, and then cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And after making sure that everything is nice and cured, I am now going to apply cuticle oil, and I'll be using this one from Scales of a Mermaid. It is called Catch Me at the Fair. And this is the finished look, and I am actually not really sure if I achieved that peekaboo effect, but I think it looks nice and decent. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment box, and I'll be putting all the products in the description box. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye!